Mr. Deepak Amitabh. He's CMD at PTC India Financial Services. Mr. Amitabh, thanks very much for joining in, and apologies for having made you wait there while we heard out more clarity coming in from the Finance Minister of India. But I want to focus on your quarter gone by. Stellar quarter numbers as far as income goes, profit after tax figure growing 27% odd. Can you explain the reason for the growth in top line thus?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Amitabh, we can hear you.
I'm not able to hear the things.
Okay, I'm just going to repeat my question, Mr. Amitabh. This is Bianca from the Delhi studio, NDTV Profit. Give us a sense of the top highlights of your quarter gone by.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Priyanka. It has been a phenomenal quarter where we have seen a revenue growth of 26%. Profit before tax has increased by 40%. And profit after tax in the quarter has increased by 27%. Now, if we do some adjustment, because last year's quarter included a revenue of 13 crore rupees on account of sale of equity investment made much time earlier, if we reduce that 13%, then the revenue has increased in this quarter by 63%. Profit before tax has increased by 143%. And profit after tax also has increased by more than 147%. And if we see the half-yearly figures also, the revenue has grown by 37%, profit before tax has grown by 68%, and profit after tax has increased by 57%. And if we exclude the 13 crores last half-year profit on sale of investment, then the revenue has increased by 59%, profit before tax has increased by 135%, and profit after tax also by 136%. So this has been a very good quarter. And now if we see the other things also, the other highlights of the quarter, the interest income has shown an increase of 108%, and the interest expense has shown an increase of 49%. Thereby, the net interest income in the quarter has grown by 176% from 14 crore to 38.7 crore. Similarly, if we see the ratios, the yield has improved during the quarter from 14.1 to 14.19. The cost of fund has considerably reduced from 10.22 to 8.20. The spread has also improved from 3.88 to 5.99. And as I talked about net interest income, from that net interest margin, NIM has also improved from 6.57 to 8.75 in the quarter. And similarly in the half year also, if we see the net interest income has increased by 209% from 22.8 crore to 70 crores. And yield has also improved from 13.8 to 14.17. Cost of fund has gone down from 10.35 to 8.39. The spread has improved from 3.49 to 5.78, and the net interest margin has also considerably improved from 5.84 to 8.85. So overall, a very, very satisfying quarter. On the asset size also, we have increased. Last year, second quarter end, we were at 990 crores. Now we have gone to 1900 crores. And half yearly also the same, 991 crore to gone to 1900 crores.
Sure. It has been a stellar quarter for you, and you'd also mentioned about asset quality, etc. But give us a sense of how your disbursements, sanction growth target, etc. Also a look at your NIMs for FY13.
See, the cost of fund has reduced considerably because one, we have been able to get access to the multilateral agencies where the cost of fund is lower, so that is the reason. And secondly, we have also swapped some high interest loans, and we are getting much better lower interest loans on the long term side. Now coming to the disbursement, if you see this quarter, we have shown an improvement. Last year, this quarter, we had done 229 crore, as against which we have done the disbursement of 330 crore. One thing which we have done, our mix has slightly changed. So seeing the risk etc. arising out of coal-based power plants, in last year, as on 30th September 2011, the solar disbursement was 0 and wind was only 12% of the portfolio, which has now increased to wind has now increased to 31% of our portfolio, and solar also has increased now to 3% of portfolio. Primarily because two things which are happening. One is the multilateral agencies which have given loans to us for on a very cheap basis are only for renewable purposes. B, the renewable asset cycle, the construction cycle is 9 months to 12 months, so that the results are also much quicker. So keeping these things into consideration, we have the disbursement has shown also a shift, and our target, internal target, was of around disbursement of 1700 crore. Till now we have done more than 900 crores. 700 crores we had done disbursement by 30th September, and another 200 crore we have done now, and we hope to reach the target of 17 crore disbursement by the year end. Thank you.
Right. Thanks very much for the clarity there, Mr. Amitabh. You've had a very good quarter, and we do wish you all the very best for business going ahead.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.